Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the winch and rigging so you can pull safely and efficiently. Connect the winch to the vehicle, check power and mount stability, then spool out a few meters of cable. Attach a secure choker or sling to the anchor tree and inspect the rope for damage. This prevents sudden failure. Once done, set the drum direction and braking in game and confirm your controller or keyboard bindings. These steps get you into position quickly and reduce risk before any pulling begins. Now you position the tractor and start controlled tensioning to move the log. Line up your vehicle so the pull is in the intended direction. Avoid side loading that can flip the log. Engage low-speed winch to take up slack, keeping steady tension while observing tree stumps and obstacles. Use pulleys or a 2-1 rig when you need more power or a different angle. Move anchor points incrementally to guide the log. Make small adjustments often so the load stays predictable and you avoid snags. For the final pull, you want a steady, decisive motion so the log clears obstacles without damage. Increase winch speed only after the cable runs straight and there's no debris, then maintain a constant pull until the log reaches the trailer or clearing zone. Reel in remaining slack and stow the cable to prevent tangles. If the winch stalls or the rope slips, stop immediately. Check for blockages, inspect the attachment points, reset the winch controls, and reposition the anchor before resuming to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.